Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How long should a cake cool before refrigerating? How long to cool a cake before icing it? Our recommendation on how long to cool a cake before icing it is to wait 2 to 3 hours for your cake to cool completely. Then add a crumb coat and refrigerate the cake for up to 30 minutes. Once that is done, you'll be able to ice until your heart's content. Should I cover a cake while cooling? You don't want to make the cake soggy, but make sure you cover the whole surface of the cake. Immediately following, cover the cakes tightly with plastic wrap and put aside to cool. If you have a bad recipe or have overbaked your cakes, this will not rescue them from being doomed to dryness. Moo. 2, 1438 How long can cake sit out unrefrigerated? An uncut frosted cake that's been frosted with buttercream, fondant, or ganache can last at room temperature for up to 5 days. Keep it covered with a cake keeper or a bowl to protect it from dust or other particles. If your cake has already been cut into, that means moisture is already beginning to escape.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.